What's trending? Volcanic smog hovered over the Taal volcano on Friday, September 22, while over Mayon volcano. PBOX continue to monitor activities like debris and ash flow. As a few local government units, LGUs observing foggy sky in Metro Manila have suspended classes citing the Taal VOG. PBOX said that the VOG only affects areas on the west-southeast of the volcano, not towards the capital region. PBOX released a VOG notice on Thursday noon, noting that VOG has been forming over the Taal region since the first week of September. Also being monitored are steam plumes as high as 2.4 km that drip west-southwestward and southwestward. It's also spewed 4,568 tons of sulfur dioxide on September 21. PBOX tallied 5 volcano tremors and lasted 20 minutes to more than 9 hours. VOG contains volcanic gas such as sulfur dioxide, and with it being acidic, it can irritate the eyes, throat, and respiratory tract depending on the concentration and duration of exposure to it. Residents around the area are advised to cover their nose and mouth, ideally with N95 face masks, limit their exposure, avoid outdoor activities, and stay indoors, and shut the doors and windows to stop the VOG from coming indoors. Acid rain is also possible during rainfall in areas affected by volcanic gas emission, and it can be damage mental roof and crops. Taal volcano is still under alert level 1, where sudden phreatic eruption or steam-driven explosion, volcanic earthquakes, minor ashfall, and possible expulsion of volcanic gas can happen. Mayon volcano recorded 15 volcanic earthquakes, over 162 rockfall events, and 2 pyroclastic density currents or ash and debris flows in just the past 24 hours. Lava flows have been observed and have advanced to 3.4 kilometers in Bonga in the southeast, 2.8 kilometers in Miisi in south, and 1.1 kilometers in Basud in the east. It also emitted volcanic sulfur dioxide, averaging 868 tons daily on September 20. Under alert level 3, a hazardous eruption is still possible within weeks or days. PBOX has recommended that residents living near the area evacuate the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone as the volcano poses possible threats like debris, ash flow, and lahar. Pag-asa said that the current gloomy sky in Metro Manila can be explained by very small particles getting trapped close to the surface due to the presence of a thermal inversion, high humidity, and calm winds condition. In addition, the Department of Natural Resources has pointed out the primary reason for elevated air quality concern in certain areas of Metro Manila is the significant congestion of vehicles, particularly during rush hours. Fog is characterized by water droplets or atmospheric moisture typically appearing white. VOG, on the other hand, is a form of air pollution resulting from volcanic emissions consisting of sulfur dioxide gas and aerosol that create visible haze. Essentially, it is steam from airborne pollutants emitted by volcanoes. Smog is air pollution that occurs when smoke and chemical fumes combine. Its severity can be exacerbated by thermal inversion, where a warm air layer traps that polluted air below, preventing its dispersion. Haze occurs when particles such as dust and other imperceptible air pollutants interact with sunlight. The phenomenon diminishes visibility and imparts a grayish tint to the sky. I hope you learned something from my video. See you in my next vlog!